Are you always wondering what are we gonna have for dinner? This will be a quick and easy recipe for you to try. Welcome back to another episode of Amanda's Kitchen. Today we're making smash burgers. They're gonna be tender, juicy, flavorful, and they will melt in your mouth. We're using the Steelmade griddle, and I can't wait for you to try it. We're gonna make healthy veggies as a side. We're gonna do zucchini. Be sure to watch this video till the end because, as always, there will be bloopers. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get to the kitchen. I've already done a little bit of prep. I've got my hamburger meat rolled into circles and it's been marinating in Worcestershire and Everglades seasoning. This stuff is so good. You must try some. I grew up on this in my hometown. We really put this on everything. We've already got the griddle heated and we're gonna start by adding some delicious bacon. That sounds amazing. Now that our bacon's going, we're gonna add some oil and we will put down the zucchini and onions. First up, onions. And now the zucchini. I love how nice and organized everything is. We have so much space that we can fill this full. There's so much space. We're gonna season our zucchini, and as usual, we're using salt, pepper, and our yummy Creole for some kick. Oh my goodness, it is smelling so good in here. Whenever you're cooking on the flat top, you always want to have your thermometer out to check to make sure you're not overheating. We are looking good today. All right, it's time to flip the bacon. Let's go ahead and put this bacon over and start making room for our smash burgers. Yummy bacon. And we'll use the grease from the bacon to cook the hamburgers in. All right, while we're here, let's go ahead and give the zucchini a turn as well. We're getting some color on some of them, which is exactly what we want to see. Once we flip these over, we'll season the other side. The great thing about cooking bacon is that it's really good to season the flat top griddle. All right, we're getting the hamburgers on and we're gonna smash them. Woo, now we're cooking. That is fun. Oh yeah. Making sure they all get cooked. It is looking good. Uncook for a little bit. All right, it's time to flip. Woo! Look at that. Let's add some cheese. And a little bit of water to steam it up and melt the cheese. Let's get some butter down and toast the buns. get our buns on there. It is looking so good in here. Let's plate it up. First stop is our toasted buns. Oh yeah, that's exactly what we want. Next, we're gonna add our yummy smash burger, topped with bacon. Oh yeah, get that third one on there. And our caramelized onions. And we'll go ahead and put our lettuce and tomato on top. And let's not forget our delicious zucchini as a side. All right, it's taste test time. All right, oh my goodness. Look, can you see it? Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. There's no way to not have a big bite. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. This is an elbows out kind of burger because that juice is just dripping. Please make these. They're so good. Okay, let's give these zucchini a try. They're tender and salty and has a little bit of kick. Delicious side. I am one happy mama because that is a delicious hamburger. And I think the difference is the flat top griddle. If you're thinking about getting one, you've got to get it because it makes your food taste incredible. If you're interested, the link is in the comment below. I recently did a review on the flat top griddle. I'll post a link right here.
I can really taste the burger and the bacon. Yeah, it tastes really good. Very juicy. Love the crunch of the bacon. Plus the meat is perfecto.
For dessert, I made an orange smoothie. Let's see how the kids like it.
What do you guys think?
Good. Really good.
Earlier today, I made a TikTok video about this smoothie. The ingredients are oranges, we had an apple, and we also had a secret ingredient. Carrots.
I feel betrayed. How could you do this?
But did it taste amazing?
I guess, but
Could you know?
no.
Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment below about what recipe you would like for me to try next. Are you always wondering what should I make for dinner? Well, these hamburgers are going to be so quick. I say so a lot. Recipe for you to try.
Healthy side.
Oh, yeah.
Healthy veggie sides.
Healthy zucchini as a side. Yeah? Oh, I'm sorry. And we're gonna make healthy, sorry. And we're gonna make healthy veggies as a side. We're gonna do zucchini. I want this one to have bacon on it. All right, it's taste test time. TTT. There's no way to not have a big bite. It's looking really good. I say we go ahead and make a plate.
Wait.
Okay, ready? That's okay. We got, you can't do it now? It's okay.